Hey everyone, welcome back to our tech troubleshooting series. If you're frustrated because your Apple TV's sound isn't working on the 2025 models, you're in the right place. This issue can be a real buzzkill during your favorite shows or movies, but don't worry, I'll walk you through simple, step-by-step fixes that could get you back to enjoying crystal clear audio in no time. Let's dive in. First, start with the basics. Check your connections. Make sure your HDMI cable is securely plugged into both your Apple TV and your TV or sound system. Sometimes, a loose cable is the hidden villain causing sound problems. Also, if you're using external speakers or a soundbar, double-check those audio cables too. Next, give your Apple TV a fresh start by restarting it. Press and hold the menu and TV buttons on your remote for about 6 seconds until the status light flashes. This quick reset can fix minor glitches that might be messing with your audio. If that doesn't do the trick, head over to Software Updates. Go to Settings, System, Software Updates and check for any available downloads. Apple often releases patches for sound issues, especially for their latest 2025 devices, so installing the latest version could solve your problem. Now, let's tweak the settings. Navigate to Settings, Audio and Video, and ensure the audio output is set correctly. For example, to your TV speakers, HDMI ARC, or external audio device. Sometimes, the settings get switched accidentally, leading to no sound. If you're still hearing nothing, test your Apple TV with a different device. Try connecting it to another TV or audio setup to see if the issue follows. This helps determine if it's a problem with your original equipment. As a last resort, consider resetting your Apple TV. Go to Settings, System, Reset. But be cautious. This will erase your settings and preferences, so back up first if possible. If none of these steps work, it might be a hardware issue and you'll want to contact Apple support. There you have it. Easy fixes to get your Apple TV sound back on track. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.